Hello and welcome to a brand new video here on the channel. Today we're gonna demonstrate how to give your truck a blowjob. Because yeah, I felt like you guys need to, and gals, maybe need something to watch since it's Friday, and I aim to please my audience. So this will be a short video of me demonstrating how that's done. This is the only place you can do that, or where up here, yeah. So might be a little loud, so you can lower the volume when it starts, but it's kind of cool, I think. So I wanted to show you that. This week I've been working the late shift, and it's dark. It gets dark at 2 o'clock in the day, which makes it a little hard to make good videos for you guys and gals and non-binary people. So without further ado, I give to you the blow machine or something. Yeah. Kind of cool. Dexter have found a place where we can eat just outside of Kappa, Piteå. Looks like this outside. Beautiful. Not really. Still waiting for the snow to come, because it's been a crappy fall so far, or winter. I just gotta show you guys what I'm eating. Eating dead moose and spaghetti. So it's a mix between Italian and Swedish. This is really good. It looks like shit, poop, poo, maybe, but it's good. Shout out to my wife, Frances. Thank you so much for making this delicious meal. The the winter is still shining with its non-presence, whatever. It's missing. There's no winter. It's fall. It's rainy. It's muddy. The roads are not working, and it's just it's not good. But we keep on trucking. So next week I hope that we get some colder weather, and we're able to drive and make a living with this stuff instead of just being miserable. So that would be nice. Hopefully I can make a better video when it gets colder. So that's about it. Hope you liked the blow job video, and have a great weekend, and I will see you in the next video. Hopefully next week. Take care. Bye from me and Dexter.